Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about the third standard English. Already we have learned this lesson, the right place. So in this lesson we have learned the question answer also. Now we are going to see some of the exercises in this lesson. Here in page number 116. Listen to the sound and repeat. They are given some of the word IR. You have to pronounce the word IR. So IR word come means how to pronounce the word GIRL, girl. IR, ear. BIRD, bird. DIRT, dirt. BIRD, bird. STIR, still. So you have to pronounce the word IR like this way. Now, page number 116. So pronounce this word. Listen to the sound. Listen to the sound and repeat these words. So IR as in. எப்படி சொல்லணும்? You have to pronounce the word girl. Ear, IR, ear, GIRL, girl. BIRD, bird. DIRT, dirt. DIRT, dirt. STIR, stir. IR, ear. So like that. BIRTH, birth. SKIRT, skirt. SHIRT, shirt. MIRTH, mirth. Okay, so like this, IR, you have to pronounce the word as GIRL, girl. BIRD, bird. DIRT, dirt. STIR, stir. BIRTH, bird. SKIRT, skirt. SHIRT, shirt. MIRTH, mirth. So like this IR verb, each and every word, when it joined together with other words, the pronunciation will change. Like that, you are as in. So how to pronounce the word you are? You are. So you are afterwards NURSE. You are earth. So N U are nurse. SEC, nurse. Appa nurse solukka, nurse. PURSE, purse. PUR, SEC, purse. So E is the silent here. So you have to say NURSE, nurse. PURSE, purse. You shouldn't say nurse, purse like that. Then blur, BLUR, blur. BURN, burn. BURST, burst. Then CURVE, curve. Curd, CURD, curd. FUR, fur. TURN, turn. Okay, so you have to pronounce the word nurse, purse, blur, burn, burst, curve, curd, fur, turn. So pronounce the word NURSE, nurse. PURSE, purse. BLUR, blur. BURN, burn. BURST, burst. CURVE, curve. CURD, curd. FUR, fur. TURN, turn. So say these words again and again so that you can easily and say the words and properly. Now, the next one. Say these sentences. THE, the. GIRL, girl. The girl. IS is, yeah, nurse. So TH the. So IR நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம் and UR we are used here. So girl, girl. The girl is a nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. And number 2, stir the curd. S-T-I-R, stir the curd. C-U-R-D, curd. So stir the curd. Dirt on the shirt. D-I-R-T, dirt. O-N on, T-H-E, the shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Okay, dirt on the shirt. This is the unit 3. Okay. So, listen to the sound. The girl is a nurse. The, T-H-E, the. G-I-R-L is the girl. I-S is ya. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. S-T-I-R, stir. T-H-E, the. C-U-R-D, curd. Stir the curd. Then D-I-R-T, dirt. O-N on. T-H-E, the. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. So you have to say the words, pronounce it like this. Practice this sentences, children. Now we will move on to the next one. Color the words. Color the words with IR in blue color. IR in blue color and UR in green. And UR in green. So you can use IR. IR vandaka you can use the blue color and UR in the green color. Now I'll write the sum of the words. You can color it and see it. Okay, first one is curb, then dirt. So say the spelling and write T-U-R-N, turn, F-U-R, fur, G-I-R-L, girl, F-I-R-S-T, first, B-U-R-N, burn, B-U-R-N, burn, S-T-I-R, stir, and then T-H-I-R-D, third, then C-H-U-R-N, chun. So some of the words they are given. Now we have to underline the IR words in blue color. Here IR words is D-I-R-T, dirt. So this color is blue color, dirt, D-I-R-T, dirt. Then which one is the IR? G-I-R-L is the girl and S-T-I-R is sister. F-I-R-S-T, first, and T-H-I-R-D, third. So these words are here. IR is the D-I-R-T, I-R, F-I-R-S-T, first, G-I-R-L, girl, S-T-I-R, stir, T-H-I-R-D, third. So like this you can underline the words which comes in the IR. So even you can play with your friends also. Write the words like this and ask them to underline which one is the IR, that you can color it with blue color. Now you are in green color, that is the remaining words, whatever is there. C-U-R-B is a curb, and here T-U-R-N is a turn, B-U-R-N, burn, F-U of fur, and C-H-U-R-N, chun. So even if you underline it, you can better write it in the colors also. Take your color pencil or any crayons, you can write it like this. So you are in green color, C-U-R-B, curb. So you are, T-U-R-N, turn, F-U-R, fur, B-U-R-N, burn, C-H-U-R-N, chun. So like this you can color it and read these words. And now the next one. Fill in the blanks to say to your friend. Page number 117. Let us learn how to request politely. If you are asking anything about the other person, you have to request them politely. How to ask them politely? Would you please move? Would you please close the window? Would you please lend me your pencil? Would you please move from that place? So like that you have to ask please. So please use Panmud. You have to say would. So fill in the blanks they are given here. Listen. How to request politely. Politely you have to request. If you want anything from your friend, you have to ask politely. You have to request them. You should not show your anger and ask. You have to ask them politely. Politely na P-O-L-I. Softly you have to ask them. You should not show your anger. Would you please move? Would you? You have to add would you. Eppadi vandalum you have to say would you please move. Would you please move? Then would you please close the window? Window close பண்றீங்களா? ஒருத்தர் கேட்கும்போது we should not order them. We have to ask them politely. Would you please close the window? Politely you have to ask them so that they will do. Then you can ask your friends, would you please lend me your pencil? நீங்கள் ஒரு பென்சில் என்கிட்ட இல்லை கடனாக கொடுங்கன்னு கேட்பீங்க. So you have to ask, would you please lend me your pencil? So like this, you can write some of the 5 sentences on your own. Lend me your pencil or pen, anything. Okay, would you please lend me your pencil? So here, please close the door. How to write this? Would you please close the door? Would you please close the door? Then the next one. Please pass the pencil. Would you please pass the pencil? Would you please pass the pencil? So these 2 sentences is the fill in the blanks. This is the answer I gave you. So you can write it down in your book. Fill in the blanks. So here you have to request them politely whatever you want from your friends. ஏதாவது ஒரு help உங்க friends கிட்ட, your parents or any elders if you ask, you have to use would you please. Would you please move? Would you please close the window? Or would you please switch on the light? Like that you have to ask. Would you please lend me your pen or pencil, anything, eraser, book, note, whatever it is. And here on the fill in the blanks, page number 117, they are just given this. Here it is, please close the door. They are given the question. So you have to fill means, would you please close the door? Just you put would you in front of the place. You put just would you. Then would you please pass the pencil? So whenever you are asking anything, you have to request them with politely. Okay, now the next one is fill in the blanks using a or an. Okay. 118. Fill in the blanks using a or an. Page number 118. So a I said already, you have to use AE, vowel AE, IO vanda, you have to use the an. ஒரு இதுக்கு நவுனுக்கு முன்னாடி you have to use elephant வந்தாக்கா ஈல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிற vowels இருந்தால் you have to use this is an elephant. Ant, this is an ant. So vowels AE, already I taught you in a previous class, vowels A, E, I, O, U. In the letters you have to use an. So remaining letters you can use the A for the noun. And for we use the for the particular boy or particular boy pathiyo girls pathiyo pesumbodu we have to use the. And when we have to use the when we are talking about the same thing again and again, oru porula pathi thirumbi again and again pesumbodu we have to use the. Suppose this is a box. This is dash box. So here box is a noun. So it will be B kadiyadu. A, E, I, O is no vowels. So you should not use an. So you have to put this as a box. So dash box is blue. So again they are talking about the box only. So again the same thing Pati paste. Both you have to use in the fill up the box is blue. Here this is dash umbrella. Second one. This is dash umbrella. So umbrella varumbodhu here it's beginning with the U. So U vandaka you have to use and. This is an umbrella. Okay. Dash umbrella is pink. Dash umbrella is pink. So again we are talking about this umbrella only. So what you have to use in this blank? We have to use the. Okay. And then when you are the unique things, for unique things also we have to use the. So the star. These are all the unique things. The star, the moon, the sun. So if you are talking about unique things, the earth. So for this and all is a unique thing. Sun, earth, moon, stars. So for that we use the only. So here they are given the sum of the exercises. Page number 119. This is dash car, a car. Dash car is green. The car is green. We are talking about the car. This is dash egg. So egg is starting with the letter E. So we have to use the vowels E verb. We have to use an. This is an egg. I think this you have already written. Any you write again, children. Dash egg is big. The egg is big. This is dash bulb. So this is not starting with the vowel, that bulb. So bulb and B is start. So we should not use an. We have to use a. This is a bulb. Again we are talking about the bulb. The dash, the bulb is not working. So you have to put the. This is ice cream, an ice cream. The ice cream is sweet. This is an apple, the apple is sweet. This is a cycle, the cycle is blue. And here in this page also, we are talking about the unique things only. The sky is blue. Then the next one is the stars shine at night. The moon is bright. The tree is tall. The dog has a long tail. Okay. So these are the exercises for the and a and. So learn this exercises page number 118 and 119 and use this, fill up the blanks, everything. Okay. So today we are seeing about the a and the. So again I am telling a is used for the not using for the vowels. For vowels we have to use and. The is used for the particular ball some of the same thing if you are talking again and again the is used, and for the unique things also we have to talk again and again. So these are the exercises in your book, and page number 119 some of the exercises you are given. So this is a car, the car is green. This is an egg, the egg is big. This is a bulb, the bulb is not working. This is an ice cream, the ice cream is sweet. This is an apple, the apple is red. This is a cycle, the cycle is blue. So you open your mouth and read the exercises like this. Then fill in the blanks. The sky is blue, the moon is bright, the stars shine at night, the tree is tall, the dog has a long tail. So go through these exercises and learn each and every word, pronounce the word and read properly. Thank you children. We will see you in next class.